I just like everything that comes standard with Tabor homes, whether it be the tile floors, the cellar, sprinkler system, and at Park Place we got a fence that was also included in the purchase price, which was all the stuff that is considered upgrades with other builders was what sold me.
I'm Whitney Carpenter, and we live in Park Place.
I'm William Carpenter. We actually walked into the model home of Park Place, and she immediately fell in love with it. They just poured the stem wall on a corner lot, which is something that I wanted as well. So timing, everything just worked out, and since it was, she could pick out everything.
We use the outdoor fireplace a lot, and when people come to visit, they say their favorite thing is like that there's a fireplace inside, and then they go outside and there's another fireplace outside. It's cozy either way. It's like a real safe community. It feels like it's very quiet when you go outside, but there's enough people around to still have the sense of community. So I love Park Place.
Anything we have an issue with, we call them, and either they can send someone out to fix it or they point us in the right direction.
The portal for the warranty is very easy to use, and I mean it's pretty straightforward as well to utilize and figure out who you need to contact. For the things that come standard with Tabor, we would have had to spend at least 10-20 grand more in the other houses that were almost more expensive than Tabor standard.
The quality that goes into the Tabor homes is, second to none.